दिस इज हाउ बॉडी इमेज इशूज प्ले विद योर माइंड। आप बीमार हैं, आपका वजन कम हो रहा है और आपको इस बात की खुशी हो रही है कि आप अपने गोल वेट के पास जाते जा रहे हैं।
This is interesting. So people care a lot about their body weight and not care about their health. I've heard a lot of people telling me that, you know what, Yash, I was gaining a lot of weight, but thank God I got dengue. So I lost all that weight. You know, you should not be caring about weight loss. If you cut your hands, you will lose weight. But that's not the right way to lose.
एट 29 सडनली आई गेट अडल्ट एक्ने। अब जिसको भी जिंदगी में एक्ने नहीं हुआ है उनको अडल्ट एक्ने एकदम बहुत चक्का कर जाता है। ये क्या पनौती आ गई है जिंदगी में। अडल्ट एक्ने इज क्रिपलिंग, एनी काइंड ऑफ एक्ने एट एनी एज इज क्रिपलिंग, बट अडल्ट एक्ने इज जस्ट लाइक आपके फेस पर जो आपका रियल एस्टेट है, आपकी कैमरा फेसिंग जॉब है, एंड सडनली आपके फेस पर देयर इज सो मच एक्ने जो आपको पता नहीं है कहां से आई है, एंड सडनली यू हैव टू फिगर आउट थ्रू मल्टीपल सोर्सेज डॉक्टर।
He's talking about adult acne. I don't quite agree with the word only. Adult acne क्या होता है? सब adult को थोड़ी होता है. Everything that a celebrity does at times can be extremely right also, but sometimes it is brutally wrong. And all these understanding is something that a layman might not have. And I'm thinking of bridging this gap wherein you will know what to learn from them, what to pick up from them, and what not to learn from them. Today, I'm going to review Kusha Kapila. She has recently, in a YouTube video while she was getting ready, she mentioned about her nutrition program and why did she lose weight and how did she lose weight and her mindset and so on and so forth. We will understand her journey. We will also see what is good, what is bad. I might come across slightly dismissive also in the video, but please understand that I am not anti any influencer. This is purely coming from the place of science. So without talking much and wasting a lot of time, let's get straight into the video.
क्योंकि मेरा अपनी बॉडी से इतना कंफ्यूजिंग रिश्ता था और मुझे नहीं पता था कि बॉडी इमेज इश्यूज होते क्या हैं, एंड व्हाट एम आई फीलिंग, इफ आई एम गेनिंग वेट हाउ शुड आई फील। आई जस्ट लेट इट हैपन।
So again, a classic background wherein she is saying that she gained weight because she was eating a lot of junk food in her college days and in her internship time. Nothing special.
And though I don't give a fuck. Instead, I started developing a sense of humor, which everybody around me loved. I realized कि लोग मुझे मेरी बॉडी के लिए नहीं, मेरे जोक्स के लिए, करामातों के लिए, मेरे impersonations के लिए, इन सब के लिए पसंद करते हैं. So then body didn't really feel like something I needed to work on.
This is a problem. She's talking about, I realize that people like me because of my sense of humor and because of the way how I communicate. So I do not have to appear good or I do not have to look good and so on and so forth. As long as it only concerns the appearance, it's perfectly okay. But I don't think it should be only concerned to the appearance. When you lose weight, it's all about how you are going to function, how you are going to feel, how you are going to behave, and what sort of decision makings you're going to have in your life. And of course, appearance comes the last because that should not never be the driving factor. And this is the reason why a lot of people end up doing all these crash nutrition, which I'm going to understand as the video move ahead. I will understand what kind of nutrition she has there. But this mindset that I want to lose weight only because of my appearance is the wrong kind of mindset. I do not care if I become 100 kilo tomorrow. As long as I'm healthy, I'm okay. So that should be the mindset.
So now at 22, I am at my unhealthiest. मुझे कोई अंदाजा नहीं मुझे जिंदगी में क्या करना है, मैं बिल्कुल क्लूलेस हो चुकी हूँ। तो मैंने सोचा मैं घर पर बैठकर एक साल ड्रॉप कर लेती। Of course by this time मेरी फ्रेंडशिप्स बहुत डीप हो गई थी, हम खूब हैंग आउट करते थे और एक दिन कहीं तो हम हैंग आउट कर रहे थे और मैं ऐसे करके दीवार से खड़ी हुई थी और मेरे एक दोस्त ने मेरी पिक्चर ली। उसके बाद रात को 1:30 बजे मुझे वो पिक्चर भेजी और उसने बोला कुशा, I think it's time to work on yourself.
She is saying that she got a realization because somebody clicked that picture when she realized that okay, now she is looking extremely obese and this is the time where she have to take an action.
My friend didn't come from a place of hate. He actually really cared about me. He was just somebody who was into fitness और वो देख सकता था कि I am in the pits. My mental health was in the pits. I was just not acknowledged.
She's saying that my mental health was on a toss. This is very interesting thing, guys. You all need to understand that when you become unhealthy, it is not only about how you look. It is not only about the quality of your skin, but it is also going to affect your mental health for sure because fat gain happens because of hormonal disbalance. I've said this many times. And hormone disbalance happens because of wrong kind of eating pattern. So all these things are going to take a toll on your mental health for sure.
I lost weight in the most unhealthy manner possible. I'll tell you why I say unhealthy. Because मैंने जिम तो ज्वाइन किया था पर मैं दिन में 800-900 कैलोरीज से भी कम का मील ले रही थी। मैं लंच और डिनर में सेम चीज खाती थी, which was रोटी, some टमाटर की सब्जी that my mother used to make, and that's about it. I lost weight so dramatically, so quickly because of calorie deficit. कोई मसल गेन नहीं करी, कुछ नहीं गेन किया, बस फटाफट जो लोगों की वैलिडेशन मिल गई कि wow you look so amazing.
In case if you trust them, she's also saying that she lost a lot of muscles due to a calorie deficit plan. She was at 900 calories, she was barely eating anything and she was not working out. Don't think that it's because of workout, it is because of nutrition. If she will work out also at 900 calories, she will still be in trouble. Biologically, physiologically, because that's not the best method to go about it. So, calorie deficit, big no guys.
What have you done? बस ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट की जो भूखी मैं थी और मेरे बॉडी इमेज इश्यूज ने अंदर जो अपनी फसलें उगा ली थी, इतना अंदर रूटेड था कि मुझे रियलाइज नहीं हो रहा था कि मैंने वजन कम किया क्यों है, किसके लिए किया है, why does it matter, is it
There's no bigger poison on this planet than compliments. If you genuinely want to destroy someone, keep giving them compliments. I don't think compliments has any return also. It is something that has extremely zero return. In case if somebody is criticizing you or giving you a bad feedback, you should always appreciate the person because the person is interested in improving something in your life. But if somebody is just giving you a compliment, you should be rather be concerned that whether you should be with that person or not, because that person is not going to give you anything meaningful in life apart from just making you feel good, which I don't think matters.
और मेरा इम्यूनिटी इतना लो चला गया था दैट women after the age of 25-26 are more prone to getting TB and I got abdominal TB because of eating less. My immunity had gone एकदम धरती के अंदर. जब मुझे TB हुआ है, TB का एक सिम्टम होता है कि आपका वेट लॉस हो जाता है. So I lost even more weight, which by the way I was liking.
So this is a classic problem, guys, because when your body is asking for food, it is asking for a reason. Otherwise, why would your body even ask for food? You know, when your body is saying that give me protein, give me fats, give me nutrients, give me vitamins and minerals, your body is saying it for a reason, because your body want to build immunity, because your body want to build muscles, your body want to build structure. But what you do when you go on such diets, you end up losing everything in your body. So I've given you a lot of time that cockroach ka example, you know, just in order to kill the cockroach, you break the entire building. The point is you should not be on these calorie counting diets.
आपका वेट लॉस हो जाता है. So I lost even more weight, which by the way I was liking. दिस इज हाउ बॉडी इमेज इशूज प्ले विद योर माइंड. आप बीमार हैं, आपका वजन कम हो रहा है और आपको इस बात की खुशी हो रही है कि आप अपने गोल वेट के पास जाते जा रहे हैं.
This is interesting. So people care a lot about their body weight and not care about their health. I've heard a lot of people telling me that, you know what, Yash, I was gaining a lot of weight, but thank God I got dengue. So I lost all that weight. You know, you should not be caring about weight loss. If you cut your hand, you will lose weight, but that's not the right way to lose.
कॉमेडी स्केचेस के थ्रू एक ही बात बोली है कि डजंट मैटर व्हाट बॉडी यू हैव, इट डजंट मैटर व्हाट बॉडी इमेज इशूज यू हैव, बी योरसेल्फ, ओन योर बॉडी, लव योर बॉडी. सब कुछ ही तुम्हारी बॉडी ही नहीं है. बॉडी इज नॉट द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग अबाउट यू. हु यू आर, व्हाट यू ब्रिंग आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, व्हाट यू ब्रिंग टू द टेबल, दैट्स व्हाट मैटर्स. एंड आई फॉलोड दैट प्रीटी मच. इट्स नॉट लाइक आई डिडंट ट्राई टू बी हेल्दी.
She's talking about who you are matters and you know, your work matters and your body does not matter. But I don't think it makes any sense, especially people who influence you to do such things. I don't think you should take all these. I mean, she's not doing it, but people who do it out there, you should not take all these comments seriously, that you should care about your work and your work should speak and not your body and not your personality. How is that even a fair comparison? I mean, your work is something else and your body is going to keep you alive. Your work is not going to keep you alive. You will be replaced tomorrow if you die. So I don't think you should take all these comments seriously, that, you know, you are what your work, you are what you do. And it's okay even if you're unhealthy, and it's okay even if you're having major health issues, as long as you're performing. That does not make any sense to me. Even if you're somebody who's in crisis, even if you're somebody who's not financially sound, you should do bare minimum for your health. You should not take your health for a ride.
Again, everything was validation related, and this time it was not my body, it was my work. I would lose some weight, I would gain some weight. फिर कोविड में मैंने कुछ वेट लूज किया, फिर उसको वापस गेन कर लिया. उसके बाद मैं गेन करती गई, फिर मैं किसी डाइट पे जाती थी, फिर मैं कोई शो करती थी, मेरी डाइट रुक जाती थी. I was
Perfectly okay to seek validation as long as you're doing it in a healthier manner, you're not taking shortcuts. I mean, you know, validation is motivating. So I'm not somebody who's going to follow the trend and tell you to, yo, don't seek validation, seek spirituality. That's complete crap. You should seek validation because it is indeed motivating, but don't take shortcuts to seek validation. Do hard work, put in the right kind of work, do whatever it takes, and then go for validation.
at 29 suddenly I got adult acne. अब जिसको भी जिंदगी में एक्ने नहीं हुआ है, उनको adult acne एकदम बहुत चक्का कर जाता है. ये क्या पनौती आ गई है जिंदगी में. Adult acne is crippling. Any kind of acne at any age is crippling, but adult acne is just like आपके face पर जो आपका real estate है, आपकी camera facing job है, and suddenly आपके face पर there's so much acne जो आपको पता नहीं है कहाँ से आई है, and suddenly you have to figure out through multiple sources.
He is talking about adult acne. I don't quite agree with the word only. Adult acne क्या होता है? सब adult को थोड़ी होता है. So this happens because of wrong kind of lifestyle, and this happens because of hormonal disbalance. And if an adult do not have hormonal disbalance, they will not have these acne. So the word adult acne, I don't agree with it. You call it hormonal acne.
डॉक्टर्स एंड डोमैट्स एंड एवरीवन कि ये सब हो क्यों रहा है मेरे साथ. ऑफ कोर्स मुझे पीसीओडी था, ये बात मुझे पता थी, पर मुझे नहीं समझ आ रहा था कि मेरे पीसीओडी का मैनिफेस्ट.
She is saying that of course मुझे PCOD था, इस वजह से acne था. How is that even adult acne? But ठीक है, नहीं पता होता है किसी को इस पे.
हेल्दी इनफ. एंड यू नो देन इट अकर्ड टू मी कि व्हेन आई 13 मैंने वेट लूज किया था, तो मेरी मम्मी ने बोला था, और मेरी मम्मी को भी उनके रिश्तेदारों ने और टीचर्स ने बोला था कि भाई इसका वजन कम कराओ. देन आई 22 व्हेन आई लॉस्ट वेट, आई लॉस्ट इट मोर फॉर द वैलिडेशन फ्रॉम पीपल अराउंड मी एंड बिकॉज आई डिड नॉट गेट एनी मेल अटेंशन. या फिर मेरे दोस्त ने बोला इसीलिए मैंने वेट लूज किया. नाउ एट 33 फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम इन माय लाइफ आई वांट टू लूज वेट फॉर माय सेल्फ बिकॉज गर्ल यू आर बाय योरसेल्फ नाउ. यू आर रिस्पांसिबल फॉर एवरीथिंग दैट्स हैपनिंग इन योर लाइफ. यू नीड.
So at 33, she got the right understanding, wherein she then decided that at 33 I've decided to now lose weight for myself and not for other people. That should be the spirit.
Kinder towards people who are not the conventional body standard. Body positivity ये तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि if you're in a bigger body, you can't lose weight. अरे भाई, let them do whatever the hell they want to do. You can be in a bigger body, but you can still want to work out. Workout करना तो essentially है ना जिंदगी में, as आप 30s में आते जाएं.
No, it's not possible to work out with a bigger body. You will have joint pain, you will have muscle pain, you will have fatigue. It's biologically not possible. It might look possible to you all because you all don't understand the biological aspects of it, but you have to lose weight and then only it makes sense to lose. It makes sense to work out. If somebody 120 kilos and they work out, they end up breaking their knees. Not recommended. In case if you pay attention to the entire video, she's talking about only appearance. Maybe उनके audience को शायद वही सुनना पसंद है. That might be an issue. होता क्या है, when we are too centered around how am I looking, am I fit or am I fat, people just sometimes do not get the basic idea that it doesn't matter how you look. I am somebody who promotes body positivity. I am telling you, it doesn't matter how you look. It's perfectly okay. What you need to care about and what you need to rather fix is how you are feeling, how you are sleeping, how your emotions are, how your decision making is, how strong you are, can you do everything on your own or not. If today I think of doing a trekking, I can do it without even considering anything. I can just tomorrow morning pick up my bag and go for a trek. This is how you should look at your life. After that, if you have one leg bigger, another leg smaller, it's perfectly and totally okay. That's what we say when we talk about body positivity. But, and I'm saying but in bold letters, but when you go to achieve all those things will make you functionally better, you by default come in a structurally better physique. You start looking better. That should not be the driving force. That is not something that you should aim, that is not something that you should do on day one. Just like how there are multiple methods of earning money, there is illegal way and there's a legal way also of earning money. What will you choose? You always go for the right method, right? In the exact same manner, when you lose fat, there are multiple methods of doing it. There are people who can do it with calorie deficit also. There are people who can do it with intermittent fasting also. But what weight are you losing? Are you cutting your limbs and losing weight? You cut off my limbs, I will lose weight. But that is not the kind of weight loss that you are chasing. This video was, I mean, I don't know. There's nothing to react to because she had not shared about her food habits and what she eats in a day. However, there's one basic thing which is key takeaway from this video is that all she was talking about is appearance, which is motivating, but that should not be the driving force. That's all I have to say about this video. Rest, she was right about almost everything that she had spoken. There's nothing to comment wrong about. It was fairly a normal video. It was not, she did not talk much about her fitness journey.